evening, man. Yes, respect.
Congrats, guys. How are you guys? Congratulations.
Been touring through the Kingston Eastern Police Division. I have on my right here the Divisional Commander, Superintendent Tommy Lee Chambers. On my left I have the Area Commander for Police Area 4 and it's Assistant Commissioner Graham. We're just going through a number of the communities. We started over in the McIntyre Villa area, or Dunkirk as it's called. There have been some shootings recently and even one this morning. And so there's a little bit of tension in the area. We've deployed some additional assets there. And it's just an opportunity for me to get a first-hand view of what is happening here in the night and also to interact with some of the citizens in the community, but also my own members who are deployed. We had to deploy extra assets in the space and we just want to reassure the citizens of the area that we are here, we're present, we're with them, and we'll stay with them as long as it takes. You know, these things flare up from time to time, but we are going to intervene, and those persons responsible, of course, will be brought to justice. It's consistent with some major case breakthroughs that we've had in recent times, but it's always what is going on the ground. And the idea is to make sure that we are present and dealing with matters. We also moved across to the Mountain View area where we visited both Jarrett Lane, Jakes Avenue. That area is reasonably calm at the moment. There are some underlying issues, but we are aware of them and doing what is necessary to prevent them from getting worse or exploding into something else. Then we moved over to the Rockfort area where we've had some incidents recently, but the police presence is here and also the police team from Kingston East has a good relationship with the citizens of this community. When I move from here over to the Harborview space where we've had a couple of incidents, but overall I believe the engagement is useful. People appreciate that we are here and our teams will not leave as long as there is a problem. We of course encourage any citizen who has information that may assist us to pass it on to us. It doesn't have to be, you don't even have to say who you are. Just give us the information and we'll take it from there. So it's just a part of a tour. It's always better to go out in the night where a number of things happen. This tends to be the crime band, and so we really want to get the first-hand view of what it's like at that time and also engage some of the citizens so they can feel a little more comfortable in their own communities because of the police presence.
So I'm at GC Foster College today, visiting with the staff, bringing words of condolences to the school community in light of the very sudden and brutal death of someone they loved so well here at GC Foster. And so this afternoon we're gathered in the boardroom, just talking through, helping the members of the school community to really go through this period of mourning.